In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export data from Xero accounting software quickly and efficiently. Whether you're preparing for an audit, analyzing your financial performance, or just keeping a backup of your records, knowing how to export your data is an essential skill. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can do it confidently without any confusion. Let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Xero account and land on your main dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation bar where you'll see several options available. What you want to do here is click on Accounting. This section acts as the central hub for all your financial data, including transactions, reports, and account structures. After clicking on Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is one of the most important sections in Xero because it contains a full list of all the accounts your business uses. These accounts include your income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity categories. When you arrive at the Chart of Accounts page, you'll see a detailed table listing all your accounts. Take a moment here to review what's displayed. This step might seem small, but it's useful to confirm that everything looks correct before exporting. If your accounts are well organized, your exported data will also be clean and easy to work with later. Now, let's move to the key part, exporting your data. At the top of this table, you'll find an Export button. This is the tool that allows you to download your financial data. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click Export, Xero will generate a file for you, usually in CSV format. This file format is widely supported and can be opened in tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Once downloaded, you can analyze your data, make adjustments, or share it with your accountant or team members. One of the biggest advantages of exporting your data is flexibility. For example, you can create custom reports, perform deeper analysis, or even integrate the data into other systems. It also acts as a backup, which is always a good practice when managing financial records. If you regularly work with financial data, you might find yourself exporting information often. The good news is that this process is very simple and repeatable. Once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature and takes only a few seconds. Another helpful tip is to keep your exported files organized. Create folders on your computer based on months or financial periods so you can easily find the data later. This small habit can save you a lot of time in the long run, especially during reporting or auditing periods. Also remember that exporting isn't limited to just the chart of accounts. Xero allows you to export data from reports, invoices, and other sections as well. So once you're comfortable with this process, you can explore exporting other types of financial data to get even more value from the platform. And that's it. You've now learned how to export your data from Xero quickly and efficiently. It's a simple process, but one that gives you a lot of control over your financial information. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep practicing and exploring more features inside Xero. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.